Today we're gonna make a man burger. Hello everybody, I'm Dave and from my back garden I'll be making delicious food that everybody can make. Let me show you around. This is Dinner with Dave. It's getting colder and colder, and if it's getting colder, as you can see, you're gonna need to eat more food. And yes, more food because you're hungry, your body needs to get a little bit of extra fuel there. So yes, we're gonna make a man burger. Not discriminating, it's called a man burger. I've got the dish, I've got this recipe from the old burger website, and I really like this burger. My wife also likes the burger, so we're gonna do it. For that, first we got to bake a little bit of bacon. We need to get the onions ready, and when that's ready we're gonna start on the burger. So let's give it a go. Let's bake some bacon. Barbecue already warmed up. As you can see, got my cast iron skillet in there. So I'm gonna grab myself a couple plaques of bacon. Got some bacon here. Maybe it's really hard to see. Maybe I need to have more light, but okay, sorry for that. Grab some oil. Put it into the pan. And I want to have like 3 pieces of bacon in every burger. So 1, 2, 6. And this will go really fast, really fast, because the cast iron skillet is already really hot. The bacon is ready and now it's time to go for the onions. I got myself 4 onions. I'm gonna put them in the cast iron skillet with some oil, with some sugar and with some balsamic vinegar, and let them go for a while. So yes, cut up the onions. Open the barbecue, add a little bit extra oil. We still have some oil and fattiness from the bacon in there. Then we're gonna throw in the onions. Let them go for a while. Get yourself some sugar. I've got some blocks, some sugar blocks and the vinegar here ready to go for it. And now it's time for the burger. Here we go, grounded beef, 500 grams, half a kilo. And we're gonna add some herbs to there. We're gonna add some garlic, like a tablespoon. We're gonna add a tablespoon of paprika. Paprika powder, if it want to go out. We've got some cumin, also a tablespoon. And a little bit extra is not that bad, of course. Cumin, half a tablespoon of cayenne pepper for the spiciness. Then we're gonna add like a teaspoon of salt. And a teaspoon of pepper. That's it for the herbs. Furthermore, we're gonna add some crispy onions. I've got myself some pre-baked crispy onions. Gonna add like 2 big spoons. and a little bit of ketchup. We can always add more. In the meanwhile, the onions are going great, getting a little bit softer. Don't forget to give them a stir. In the meanwhile, the onions are going great. Gonna throw in the sugar. To make them caramelize a little bit. And we're gonna add the balsamic vinegar. And that, it might smell awful, but it's giving a really nice flavor. A really nice flavor. So balsamic vinegar. Gonna add a decent amount here. Small layer. In the end, most will be gone anyway. Give it a little stir. The sugar will dissolve. It will caramelize the onions. That will be so good. Close the lid. While that's going, let's go with the burgers. Give it a mix. So we've got a nice big bowl and we're gonna make 2 burgers out of there. So about this. Make yourself a bowl and press it. Then you will get this really big, fat, juicy burgers. So this is 1. And now number 2. There we go, number 2. And what is the burger without any sauce? So for this one, I've got some spicy paprika powder. It's spicy and some mayonnaise. Pretty simple, but oh so nice. Really awesome. And you can make it as spicy as you want, of course. Just give it a little stir. And this is going really well with this burger. So, spicy mayonnaise. The onions are going. The mayonnaise is ready. It's time to put the burgers on the barbecue. Well, you can see the onions are going great. Nicely softened. The extra flavor from the balsamic vinegar is really doing its thing here. So I'm gonna put it aside. And the temperature here is really hot and we're gonna need that to add the burgers. Also got some mini burgers for my kids. But look at these massive burgers. Number 1. Number 2, and we're trying to get those grill marks, and 2 small ones for my kids. Now it's time for me to bake some bread and we can go to dinner. Nice. it's time to prepare them. For that, I'm gonna need some slices of tomato. Nice ripe tomato. I've got myself some bread. There we go. Gonna start off with a little bit of that spicy mayo on the bottom. Then we're gonna add another slice of old cheese that will melt with the burger. And it's time to take our bodies out. Cheese halfway melted. Take some bacon. Get the bacon in there. Of course, it's optional. If you don't want bacon, you can also take something else, but we like that bacon. We're gonna take some of these onions. Oh, wait. Oh my God, I forgot the tomato. Tomato. Oh man, how could I forget the tomato? The onion. This one for me. And finish it up with another layer of the spicy mayonnaise. And then the hardest part, to keep it together, I've got myself these pins and I'm really gonna need them. So, number one. And number two. There we go. A big ass burger. Let's see how juicy they are. There we go. That's a big burger. This is my man burger. If you eat this, you're gonna be filled with so much nice comfort food. Well, this was Dave from Dinner with Dave. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook, and we're gonna see each other next time. Bye bye!